Good afternoon, white shaving enthusiasts and newbies. Welcome back into the rabbit hole with Cal Shaves. Today's is going to be the shave off of the Ming Shi 5000S clone versus the Merkur Progress. Now, this is the short handle version. Check my previous video. I'll link it here. It's a comparison between these two razors along with the Merkur Progress. So, got a lot of growth to go through. And frankly, it's not reasonable to expect that many razors are going to go through that. So first thing I'm going to do is mow this down a little bit with my Phillips hair and beard trimmer to give it a more reasonable expectation. Then we're going to go with one of my favorites, Highland Springs out of Cranbrook, BC, Canada, Forge. There's a great story to that. I will post a link to the video I did of that. Of course, matching aftershave splash. Razor Emporium 26mm Best Badger and my Phillips Sharp Lather Bowl. Both these razors are loaded with the Astra Super Platinum Blade, brand new, first use on those. So first thing we do is mow down this and then we're going to get our shave on. So, sink full of water, wet the face, lather up, and do our first pass with the grain. My left side, my dominant side, I'm going to go with the Ming Shi. My weaker side, the Merkur. We're going to set these both on the middle settings. The Merkur has a top setting of 5. The Ming Shi a setting of 9. So we're going to set this on number 3, which should be the equivalent of a number 5 on the Ming Shi, and we'll go from there. So, Ming Shi, much lighter. Personally, I don't prefer the long handle. I prefer the shorter handle. It feels much milder, whereas the Merkur is more aggressive in a really good way. But both took that down fairly easily. So I'm going to re-wet, re-lather, and actually I'm going to dial these both up to their top settings for our second pass across the grain. So dial that up to 9. And this one up to 5. So, end of our second pass. The Ming Shi on its top setting feels like a 3 plus on the Merkur. Although it got me here, I'm still not liking the feel of it. I'm not liking the grip on this. Looks like it got me there too. And unfortunately, I made that lather way too watery. It's still a great lather, but it's way too watery for my liking. So, get our third pass, and this still got a lot of growth on my neck to mow through. We're going to do another pass on the cheeks too. So for this pass, we're going to leave both razors on their top setting.
And it'll be against the grain.
Now, both sides are a very strong DFS. Yeah, so we're going to rinse this out and we'll come right back. So we're back. Got her rinsed out. Yeah, a strong DFS. Like I said, just a little minor weeper there, a little tiny one there. Take our Razor Rock alum to it and see how it goes. Very, very little burn on either side. Now the aftershave. Oh, great scent on that aftershave. No burn at all with that, and that is an alcohol-based aftershave. Again, friends of mine, Chris and Mary Troniak out of Cranbrook, British Columbia, Canada, and I love the story behind this particular scent. So, what do I think? Ming Shi for under $10? Or the Progress for this version is about 70 US. The long handle is about 80 US. I definitely like the Progress a lot better. I like the grip. I like the weight. I like the feel. It doesn't feel cheaply made. I like the aggression on it. It's definitely got more aggressiveness than the Ming Shi, although it doesn't even come close to the Future. The Merkur Future is just an unbelievable razor. But weight, feel, shave. Yeah, hands down, the Progress takes it. Again, oh yeah, I forgot. This one goes for about $20 on AliExpress regular price, but you can often get it for a hell of a lot less than that. So a quarter of the price for this as the long-handled version of this. It's your money, spend it how you like. I think you're going to get a lot more quality out of the brand name German-made than the Chinese-made clone. Just my opinion. Anyway, hope I was able to show you guys something, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know what you think. Leave your thoughts and opinions down below. By the way, if you haven't become a subscriber, please become a subscriber. Like, hit the notifications button. Hope this has been useful. We'll see you again real soon. You guys take care. Bye-bye.